Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying down confident, simple shapes. This sets proportion and rhythm. Start with a circle for the head, then draw 1/2 vertical and 1/2 horizontal guide to place features. Once done, sketch the jaw and soft forehead arc. Baby Saja needs roundness. Make a small neck and an oval for the torso, keeping limbs short and chunky. Make sure to leave room for hair and ears. These first marks dictate posture and expression, so work deliberately but lightly. Now you refine the face and appendages with attention to softness. Place the eyes lower on the head and use rounded ovals to keep that infant look. Add small highlights. Then draw a tiny button nose and a gentle smiling mouth. This gives personality. Once the head is expressive, connect the torso to short, rounded limbs and mitten hands. Keep joints subtle. As you work, adjust limb length to match the head size because proportion creates cuteness and believable weight. Finish by cleaning lines and adding soft shading to cell form. Go over your sketch with confident strokes, varying line weight, thicker at shadowed edges, thinner inside, so the figure reads clearly. Once done, add gentle shading under the chin, behind limbs, and in clothing folds to create depth. Use soft strokes or 30 to 40% opacity for subtlety. If something looks off, compare head-to-body ratio, erase guides, and tweak the expression. Small adjustments rescue the drawing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.